We're praying for rain. Have mercy on us, Lord, and send us some rain. We're begging your forgiveness and we're calling your name. Oh Lord, we're praying for rain. Wake up in the morning with the sun in your eye. You're looking out the window, not a cloud in the sky. The weatherman says that the mercury fell, but still feels like you're burning in hell. You wanna take a shower and start working the farm, but the only water left is from the well in the barn. Daddy's in the field talking to the grain. Mama says that he's praying for rain. Please, Lord, forgive us for the things that we do. Forgive us for our sins and for our transgressions too. We're begging your forgiveness and we're calling your name. Oh Lord, we're praying for rain. Trying to find protection from the midday sun. You have dust on your face, sweat on your brow, and you don't feel much like driving the plow. There's no wind blowing, not even a breeze. Even in the shade, it's 100 degrees. The heat drags you down like a ball and a chain. Under your breath, you're praying for rain. Please, Lord, forgive us for the things that we do. Forgive us for our sins and for our transgressions too. We're begging your forgiveness and we're calling your name. Oh Lord, we're praying for rain. Open up the heavens, Lord, cleanse our souls and let it rain. After work, you're right into town. There's not a soul on the streets, not a person around. Half the people left on the